What's up everyone? Welcome back to Channel V8X, your home for powerful cars, brutal SUVs, and next-level automotive content. If you love off-road machines and future SUVs, make sure to subscribe to Channel V8X, hit the like button, and turn on notifications, because today, we're bringing you something seriously exciting. Intro, Vehicle Overview. Meet the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser, finished in a stunning dual-tone color, pearl white body with a glossy black roof. This compact off-road SUV takes inspiration from the legendary Land Cruiser heritage, but wraps it in a modern, city-friendly size with hardcore SUV attitude. Toyota has clearly designed this mini Land Cruiser for drivers who want rugged performance, bold design, and everyday usability, all in one powerful package. Front view description. Starting with the front view, the 2026 Mini Land Cruiser looks aggressive and confident. The bold grille, wide stance, and sharp LED headlights give it a tough, commanding presence. The contrast between the white body and black roof makes the front design pop even more, especially at night when the LEDs are fully lit. This is the kind of SUV that looks ready to conquer mountains, or dominate city streets. Side view description. From the side profile, the boxy off-road design truly shines. Strong character lines, high ground clearance, and muscular wheel arches give this SUV a classic Land Cruiser feel in a compact form. The black roof adds a sporty edge, while the large alloy wheels and wide tires hint at serious off-road capability. It's a perfect balance between retro toughness and modern styling. Rear view description. Moving to the rear view, the Mini Land Cruiser continues its rugged story. The LED tail lights, solid rear bumper, and practical design elements give it a strong and planted look. Whether parked or in motion, the rear design screams durability and confidence. Inside, the dashboard and interior feel modern, premium, driver-focused. You get a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen, and high-quality materials throughout the cabin. The interior is designed to be comfortable on highways and tough enough for off-road adventures. Exactly what you expect from a Land Cruiser badge. Under the hood, the engine bay is expected to feature a modern turbo or hybrid powertrain, delivering both efficiency and power. Toyota's reputation for reliability shines here, making this SUV a long-term companion for any journey. From a drone shot, the Mini Land Cruiser looks compact yet powerful, perfectly balanced on open roads and rugged terrain. And during a night highway drive, the glowing headlights, reflections, and motion blur create a cinematic presence that turns heads everywhere. Now let's talk about the expected price. The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser is rumored to start around $25,000 to $30,000, depending on the market and trim level, making it one of the most exciting and affordable off-road inspired SUVs in its segment. So what do you think about the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser in white with a black roof? Would you drive this compact beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, subscribe to Channel V8X for more powerful car content, future SUVs, and cinematic automotive videos. This is Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one.